145,000 square feet of manufacturing space. Our plants are located between Detroit, Indianapolis, and Chicago centrally, which makes freight very simple. Madsen's main product is wire fabricated parts, but we can integrate tubing, we can integrate wood, we can integrate sheet metal, we can do store fixtures, material handling, shelving.
We build window screens for Amazon trucks and police cars, and we build bakery shelves.
We bring wire in on wire spools, so it's in a very raw form. And we run it through straighten and cut machines, we run it through bending machines, and then we weld it and fabricate it. We do everything right here under this roof.
Madsen Wire Products' new slaughter is the fastest in the Western Hemisphere. Not only is it very fast, it's very quality focused. Our slaughter actually uses 1/30 of the energy that most machines that our competitors have currently.
It can do more than most machines in the way that they can also trim, and shelves come right off that machine and out the door to the customer. Our slaughter can produce 400 shelves or oven racks per hour. It's amazing. Our slaughter can produce a grid that is 66 inches by 157 inches.
A lot of our customers have frames on their products, and by being able to trim it on that machine, again, it allows us to get it fast. It allows us to cut costs for us and our customer.
There's certain parts on the old machine that we ran like 45 seconds apart, knocked it down off of this one in about 20 seconds.
The Trump is one of the faster press brakes in the nation.
On these baskets that we're doing now, took the production time down from a day to 3 hours.
Tolerances are very critical, and we can do it.
Well, customers want their parts the way they want their parts, so if we can get it to a 64th, then that's right on.
The Trump is automated in the fact that you can do several different formed angles within the same part without changing your setup. It allows the customer that they can put different design creativity into their part without it costing them a lot more money.
Love being able to come in and put out a good product for a customer.
Our new facility is 100,000 square feet, which enables us to quickly fulfill our orders. Madsen Steel Wire purchased that 7 adjacent acres proactively. Because we were growing so fast, we wanted the ability to expand and keep growing.
The benefit of having 2 powder coat booths is easy changeover. We can move from one color to the next in a couple of minutes, allowing us to ship faster than anyone else in Michigan.
What's great about Madsen Wire Products is we're 300 miles from the center of America, so we can ship efficiently all around the states. Madsen Steel is very customer focused. We want to build parts the same day as we powder coat them and ship them right out. Highest quality, fastest delivery.